Welcome back, knowledge seekers. You thought you had your daily routine down to a science, but hold on to your hats. We're back with the top 5 everyday things you're probably doing wrong. Prepare to be amused and amazed. Kicking it off with number 1, your fridge. That cold box of food magic might just be a maze of misplaced munchies. But did you know that not all shelves are created equal? The lower shelves are cooler, making them the VIP lounge for your meats and dairy, while the upper shelves are perfect for those leftovers. And the door? Think of it as a social mixer spot. Condiments only. Moving on to number 2. And yes, it's about number 2. Toilet paper. Are you an over-the-roll or under-the-roll person? Well, the patent from 1891 by Seth Wheeler suggests the over-the-roll method is the way to go. It's not just about winning household debates, it's about the efficiency. And let's be honest, living on the edge of toilet paper innovation. Gliding into number 3, it's the dishwasher dilemma. Are you playing a risky game of dish Tetris, stacking and cramming like there's no tomorrow? Spoiler alert, your dishwasher needs some space to work its magic. Give your dishes some breathing room and they'll come out sparkling, not spotty. And remember, it's not just dish cleaning, it's an art form. Beaming into number 4, let's spin some truths about your microwave. Are you placing your food in the center of the turntable? Center stage isn't the sweet spot here. Place it off center and let the turntable work its magic, giving you evenly warmed delights. It's probably time to end the Cold War of the microwave hotspots. And last but not least, charging your phone. It's like feeding your digital baby, right? But are you an overnight charger? Believing in a full battery's dream? It's time to wake up and unplug. Keeping your phone plugged in at 100% is like forcing it to binge eat electricity, reducing the battery's lifespan. Instead, treat it to a balanced diet. Charge a little, use a little. Your phone's battery will thank you with years of loyal service. And that's it. If you love these surprising tips, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share your own everyday epiphanies in the comments. Keep learning with your future knowledge. Until next time, keep questioning the normal. It's a great way to learn. Bye.